STL Enterprises Incorporated presents.
And Nyan Cat turns Nano into a voice is Chinese, Mandarin / grounded.
Oh my god. I kan tell Martins 2A20 ME still making corner projects out of ME and nutrients. I wish I can get real on him, but how? I know. I'm going to turn Martin into a girl. Ha!
Man, it sure is a relaxing day at the park today. Nothing can ruin my day. Ugh. Nyan Cat, what do you want now? I'm trying to have some quiet time at the park.
I am going to turn you into a girl, because you keep making corner projects out of ME and nutrients.
What? No. Nyan Cat, please don't turn into a voices Chinese, Mandarin.
Well, that's just too bad. Because this is what you get for making corner projects out of ME and nutrients. Scratch logic activated. No. I've been turned into a voice is Chinese, Mandarin. Ha! That's what you get for making corner projects out of ME and nutrients. Oh my gosh. And Nyan Cat, how dare you turn me into a voice is Chinese, Mandarin. That's it. Go home right now. Gosh, when you get home, you will be in big trouble.
When Dark Ginger got home.
Oh my gosh. Nyan Cat, how dare you turn Nano into a voice as Chinese, Mandarin.
That's it. You are grounded for 40 weeks.
Now go upstairs to your room right now.
Meanwhile.
Oh my gosh. Nano, what happened to you? Why are you a girl?
Oh mom, Nyan Cat turned me into a voice is Chinese, Mandarin. Can you please turn me back into a boy?
Sure. I will turn you back into a boy.
Hooray! Thank you so much, mom.
You're welcome. Scratch logic activate.
Yeah. I'm turned back into a normal. Thank you so much, Mom.
You're welcome.